For more than 4 millennia, in the arid lands of southwestern Texas and northern Mexico, hundreds of generations of indigenous peoples left a deep mark on the limestone walls of the Pecos River canyons. A new study has revealed one of the longest artistic traditions in the world: monumental murals painted with sophisticated symbolism that survived drastic changes. Before continuing, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and give like if you like this content. Your support is fundamental to continue sharing fascinating stories like this. The research, led by an interdisciplinary team of archaeologists and anthropologists, has accurately established a chronology of rock art in the Pecos River style. These murals began to be carried out almost 6,000 years ago, and their production remained active until approximately 1000 AD, a span equivalent to 175 human generations. The murals of the Pecos style are not simple decorations. They are complex compositions full of anthropomorphic figures, symbolic animals, and ritual elements. Analysis have shown that many of these paintings were created simultaneously, probably in community ceremonies, respecting a strict sequence in the application of color. This cultural continuity is amazing, as the murals represent a worldview that remained practically intact over 4,000 years. While in Europe, drastic changes took place, in these canyons, generations of artists continued to use the same symbols and tell the same stories. One of the most striking features of this art is its strong symbolic load. Human figures wear ceremonial headdresses and spears, combined with animals and abstract signs. The composition indicates that the painters followed a rigorous visual grammar, expressing myths and rituals. The transmission of knowledge behind each mural was highly controlled. Each new painter had to learn not only the techniques, but also the hidden meanings behind each stroke and color. The Pecos River canyons were transformed into an ancestral library, accessible only to those who could read their signs. The surroundings of the murals are not casual. The geography of the region is imbued with spiritual meaning. These steep landscapes are considered places of power and abodes of ancestors. The choice of these spaces to paint was symbolic, not just practical. Some murals reach colossal sizes, which required community organization for their realization. This dedication reinforces the hypothesis that they were ritual acts, possibly linked to collective events such as seasonal ceremonies or shamanic initiations. Studies have confirmed the presence of organic ingredients in the paints, suggesting that the peoples used compounds as animal fat to fix the pigments. This implies empirical chemical knowledge and a clear intention of permanence. The most amazing thing is not only the antiquity of these paintings, but their cultural longevity. The continuity of the Pecos style has survived environmental transformations and changes in hunting technology. The murals continued to be painted with the same logic and symbols. Far from being archaeological remains for many indigenous communities today, these murals are living entities and sacred manifestations. This study invites us to rethink the role of nomadic peoples as guardians of complex and lasting cultures.